not me, okay? That was.
I think
That was not me.
VTubing as an entire thing is just a mistake, you know?
You think so?
Mhm.
I mean, why is it even called VTubing? Why is it not just streamers, you know? I could never understand that. Why do we need this category of like categorizing shit? And then people see one VTuber do something and they're like, oh, I can't believe every VTuber is doing this. All VTubers do the same fucking shit. They're just like, yeah, they're like, what?
I completely agree with everything you just said.